Riga, the capital of Latvia, is a vibrant historical destination offering a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Located on the banks of the River Daugava, Riga is known for its stunning architecture, charming old town and rich cultural heritage. Aerial photography is becoming increasingly popular. A drone allows viewers to see breathtaking aerial views of the city's panorama and its beautiful scenery. Riga, one of the largest cities in the Baltic region, boasts an impressive variety of architectural styles, from medieval buildings to Art Nouveau masterpieces. The Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a maze of cobbled streets with beautifully preserved buildings. Visitors can explore historical sites such as Riga Castle, St. Peter's Church and the famous House of Blackheads. Riga is becoming increasingly popular with tourists due to its thriving tourism industry. Travelers can walk through the Old Town, visit world-class museums such as the Latvian National Museum of Art, or relax in picturesque parks and squares. The city is also bustling with nightlife with numerous bars, clubs and restaurants to choose from. Travelers visiting Riga often praise its friendly locals, affordable prices compared to other European cities, and safe environment. Whether you are interested in history and architecture or simply want to immerse yourself in a new cultural experience, Riga has something to offer everyone. With its convenient location on the Baltic Sea coast and excellent transportation links, Riga is also an ideal starting point for exploring other parts of Latvia. In conclusion, Riga is a harmonious city that combines historical charm with modern amenities. Its picturesque landscape combined with its rich cultural heritage makes it an ideal destination for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience.